have new developments now in a corruption crackdown in North Providence. As Target 12 first reported, prominent developer Richard Bakari is facing federal bribery charges.
Well, now new court documents we obtained reveal he claims he's actually the victim of a shakedown by a corrupt town councilman.
Target 12 investigator Tim White's been covering this case for years and is here now with the latest details.
These court documents reveal that one person already convicted in this case was brought back to Rhode Island to testify before a secret grand jury.
This is exclusive Target 12 undercover video of Richard Bakari, a defendant in a long-running bribery probe that has already brought down 3 town councilmen and the former city solicitor of North Providence, Robert Cerisi. In these court documents filed last week, we now know Cerisi, who is serving time for conspiracy and bribery, was given immunity to testify in front of a grand jury in the case against Bakari. Bakari's lawyers claim Cerisi's testimony reveals prosecutors presented evidence they knew to be false to build their case. In this now infamous FBI undercover video, town councilman John Zambarano can be seen giving a payoff to another councilman to secure a vote for a supermarket project. According to the documents, Cerisi testified before the payoff happened. Zambarano wanted $50,000 from Bakari to buy the votes. He told the grand jury, "I passed it on to Mr. Bakari, and he said he would pay the $50,000.
The U.S. Attorney's Office declined to comment, saying this is an ongoing case. Now, defense attorneys have asked the judge to review Cerisi's grand jury testimony, and they want him to dismiss the charges against Bakari. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.